How do you create a code of conduct for suppliers? Creating a code of conduct for suppliers is essential in today's business world, especially when considering environmental, social, and governance investing. This code helps ensure that suppliers align with ethical standards and sustainable practices. So, how do you actually create one? First, start by defining your core values. What principles does your company want to uphold? Common values include respect for human rights, fair labor practices, and environmental sustainability. These values will guide the entire code. Next, make sure your code complies with all relevant laws. This includes labor laws, environmental regulations, and anti-bribery laws. It is vital that your code reflects legal requirements to avoid any potential issues. Engaging stakeholders is another important step. Involve suppliers, employees, and customers in the development process. Their input ensures that the code meets the needs and expectations of everyone involved. Now, let's get into the specifics. Your code should include provisions for human rights and labor practices. This means ensuring suppliers respect human rights, maintain safe working conditions, and provide fair wages. It is also crucial to prohibit child labor and forced labor. Environmental responsibility is another key area. Outline expectations for sustainability, such as minimizing waste and reducing carbon footprints. Encourage suppliers to use sustainable materials whenever possible. You should also address anti-corruption and ethics. Specify that suppliers must operate ethically, avoiding bribery and discrimination. This helps maintain a fair and just supply chain. When it comes to supply chain management, encourage suppliers to apply these standards throughout their own operations. This creates a consistent ethical framework across the board. Implementation and monitoring are vital for success. Establish a system to monitor compliance with the code. This can include regular audits and reporting. If a supplier fails to comply, have corrective actions in place. Training and communication are essential as well. Provide training for suppliers on the code's expectations and the consequences of noncompliance. Clear communication ensures everyone understands their responsibilities. Lastly, remember that this code is not set in stone. Regularly review and update it to reflect changing legal requirements and best practices. This keeps your code relevant and effective. In the context of environmental, social, and governance investing, a supplier code of conduct is crucial for maintaining a company's reputation. It attracts investors who prioritize sustainability and ethical practices. By integrating these principles into supply chain management, companies can contribute positively to environmental and social well-being while remaining profitable. This approach aligns with the broader goals of capitalism by creating long-term value through responsible business practices.